Cats are a mystery that has fascinated humanity for countless years. Cats are highly popular pets because of their enigmatic characters and cute appearances. In fact, a poll found that cats are the head of 18% of households in the UK alone. With so many cats in our area, you'd think that everyone would be knowledgeable about them. Wrong. There are other intriguing cat-related facts that you may not be aware of, including the largest cat in the world and its peculiar gait. This fascinating cat tidbit will amaze guests at your upcoming dinner party. Did you know that the cat was first believed to have been domesticated by the Egyptians? However, in Cyprus, a 9,500-year-old cat grave was unearthed in 2004 by French researchers. This makes it the oldest pet cat ever discovered, at than 4,000 years older than any cat-related Egyptian artwork. You would be correct if you assumed cats slept most of the time. Cats sleep for between 13 to 16 hours a day, or 70% of their lifespan, according to Veterinary Hub. A cat's life, indeed. Have you ever noticed how cats walk like giraffes and camels? They move half of their body forward at once by walking with both right feet first, then both left feet. Although Isaac Newton is most known for his work on gravity calculations, it's also thought that he created the cat door. According to How Stuff Works, Newton's investigations at the University of Cambridge were frequently hampered by his cats scratching at the door. To make 2 holes in the door, one for the mother cat and one for her kittens, he summoned a Cambridge carpenter. According to reports, the university still has these gaps. Did you know that a cat ventured into the wide unknown alongside dogs and monkeys? The first and only cat to travel to space was Felicity, commonly known as Astrocat, on October 18, 1963. A study found that tigers and our tiny domestic cats had 95.6% genetic similarity. They also exhibit many of the same habits, including stalking and pouncing on prey, marking scent and urine, and these. Cats can reach speeds of around 30 miles per hour, which is so quick that they could defeat Usain Bolt in a 200-meter sprint. A dog's brain and a cat's brain are comparable biologically. Brain areas related to emotions are the same in humans and cats. Like birds, cats have a variety of sounds they create. Dogs can only create 10 sounds. However, cats can make up to 100. That's some musical skill right there.
I hope you enjoyed and learned from the session. For more video, please subscribe and follow my channel. Thank you for watching.